Welcome to our program, The Pyramids Workshop. With our program, PMI Ready, we put our kids in the forefront of all kinds of opportunities. In today's markets, the demand for project managers is growing. It is not just project management skills, it is communication, organization, and stakeholders management skills.
The program helps schools get ready to become project management professionals in the future. It also provides foundation of knowledge for kids' professional journey. The certificate is a way for kids to immerse themselves into the world of project management, while gaining a competitive edge when pursuing additional education.
Our program introduces kids to the fundamentals and core concepts of business analysis, traditional plan and agile-based methodologies. The course is meticulously created by industry professionals and educators. Today, it is important to provide kids with more tools to be more successful once they graduate. Our whole life is really just one project after another. The program will prepare the students for the PMI certificate exam. After the course, the student will be ready to pass the exam and earn an industry-recognized certificate.
Developing these skills can serve kids throughout their life.
Now we are in Egypt, and with our program, PMI Ready, we put our kids in the forefront of all kinds of opportunities.
Un grand bonjour de l'équipe. Aujourd'hui, nous allons appliquer tout ce que nous avons appris pendant 2 jours. Cette période nous a permis de vivre une expérience fascinante à travers laquelle nous avons appris la gestion de projet. Aujourd'hui, il s'agira d'un travail pratique de notre apprentissage à travers le projet des pyramides.
From Egypt. Today we're going to implement everything we learned in the past 2 days. We're going to learn everything we learned in the past 2 days through the pyramid project. We just started the pyramid project by building a pyramid out of papers and tape and a lot of accessories. It was an exciting experience doing this project with my friends and Dr. Ahmed. I really appreciate the work he put in this project.